Yes, guys. So I just came off my best month so far on YouTube in terms of AdSense revenue. There's a reason for that, and I want to share that in today's video. It's kind of going to be a random video just explaining why it happened, how it happened, and then what you can learn from that as well. So November 2021 has been my biggest month in terms of AdSense revenue and just overall. And all of this started happening because of one specific reason that I want to share with you. So basically, the last couple of months, I was already making good money, but I wasn't scaling. So basically, in 2020, my all of my stuff started taking off. That's when I started making quite some money. Then in 2021, early 2021, so like a couple months ago, back at the beginning of the year, January, February, I was still making a lot of money. And then until that point, it pretty much kept going up, right? So it kept going up. I kept making more and more money every single month until February this year. I kind of hit a plateau, and then from there, I kept making the same amount of money, which is a very good amount of money. So don't worry about that. But I wasn't really going up like crazy like I was the months before. Now that was kind of like I was trying to figure out why that was, and it was probably because I hit a plateau with that specific niche and that channel as a whole. But there's another reason, and that was because I wasn't reinvesting my money into my business. So I was making quite some money with that channel, right? Now, that is cool and all, but I did not use that money to make more money. I did not scale channels or video production. And right now, looking back on me just having my best month so far, there's one reason, and it is scaling. So I actually started scaling production. So I started uploading more videos on more channels. So as a whole, in my business, I have more output, and that is the way you can scale your business and make more money pretty much, or at least that's what I think, and that is pretty much why it happened for me personally. Now there are multiple ways you can scale. You can either just scale in terms of video production. So okay, maybe right now you're posting, let's say, 5 videos per month, 10 videos, 20 videos, 100 videos, whatever. You can scale that, so you can grow that to 500 videos per month, 200, 10, whatever it is that you're right now, to exit, and you have more output, right? You've got more videos going out, which will then most of the time result in more money. However, for some of you, that is not possible because you're running a channel that is publishing videos for an audience, so to your subscribers, or maybe you don't want to do that, you don't have the budget, whatever. So then the way you can scale is by making better videos, creating better videos that get better watch time and higher CTR. So don't focus on the output, don't focus on the volume, but on the quality of your videos. And by quality, I don't mean 1080p and change it to 4K, because that's not going to do much. By quality, I mean better videos. Better videos for engagement, CTR, watch time, pretty much a video that gets better stats. That's one way to scale as well, because then YouTube is probably going to promote those videos much more, and you'll get more views and make more money. So there are two ways, in my opinion, to scale. Either volume, so you pretty much own more channels and you upload more videos, or you just simply upload more videos. It comes down to uploading more videos. Now, for some of you, you'll need more channels for that. If you're not running a search-based channel, most of my channels are search-based, as you guys know. Basically means that I don't publish to subscribers. I don't care if subscribers watch. I publish a video with the goal and the intention of ranking it in the YouTube search page, so that when people type in XYZ, they'll find my video. That way I can just post a lot of videos at once, and I don't care if it performs in the first day, as long as it starts performing over over the months, over the next few months, I'm fine, and that's how it works. Now, because of that, I can scale the video amount like crazy, and that's how I've been able to grow. Now, that is the reason why November 2021 has been the best month for me so far, because a couple months ago, I started shifting from not reinvesting anything back into the business into reinvesting over 10K per month. Now, bear in mind, all of that sounds very fancy and geez, what's up with the lighting here? All of that sounds very cool and all, but that's not the point, because I actually stopped doing that already, because it wasn't not all of it was profitable and not all of it made sense. I kind of over exaggerated it. So right now I scaled back to maybe investing roughly 6,000 per month, maybe 7,000, roughly around that. So not 10K, but slightly less. But basically still, I shifted from not reinvesting anything back into the business into reinvesting a lot back into the business, which allowed me to have more channels and scale the production, so the output per month. If you scale output, so the amount of videos you've got going out, and if you're doing it the right way, obviously, that's going to help you out a ton. And because of that, I've now got more channels and more videos on my channels that make me money, and because of that I started making more money. Apart from that, it's also quarter 4, so ad rates are up, meaning you get a higher amount per 1,000 views, which is good. But most of it still, it's not about the quarter, it's about the fact that I started putting out more content and I started pretty much owning more digital real estate, right? I've got more videos online, which make me more money in total. That is mainly why. So the reason I made the most amount of money last month, I started scaling in terms of production. I made more videos than ever, got more videos going out than ever. I own more videos on the internet than ever, so I've got more income pretty much. So what you can learn from that, take a look at maybe for the people that are already making money with YouTube automation. How many channels do you have? Do you have one channel? Do you have a lot of money sitting in the bank? Start using it. Start reinvesting some of it into either owning more channels or uploading more videos. Now, once again, if you're already uploading once a day and your channel is based to, you're posting 200 subscribers, I wouldn't recommend posting 50 videos per day, right? So look at owning more channels so that you can distribute more content. That is pretty much it. So you would need more channels because then you can post twice, like daily on both channels. So you've got 2 videos going live per day. Otherwise, you can only do it once and then that's it, right? So imagine owning up to 10 channels where you upload every single day. In total, you've got 10 videos going live each day, 10 videos bringing in revenue each day. You're probably going to make more money because of that. And that's mainly it. So either scale in terms of volume, post more videos, own more channels, own more videos on the internet, is what I'm saying. That's how I did it. That's how I went from X amount to, I'm not going to share it for now, guys. I don't want it to be a secret whatsoever, but I'm not really, like, some things that come with sharing your revenue I don't like, and that's the reason I don't do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's why I was able to scale it from X amount to much more, and why it's now really growing. I'll do an update video soon on that new channel that I'm documenting. I am sharing the results for that channel. That one is also growing really well. Yesterday, no, the day before actually, because it's not updated yet, we hit a $129 day. Isn't that great, guys? So yeah, that is also contributing to having the best month so far. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on why that happened, how it happened. Once again, started scaling video production, and that's pretty much the reason. That's mainly why it actually happened. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Now let me know if you still enjoy these videos. I'm doing low quality. Like, once again, I'm not even looking into the camera properly most of the time. Recording this on a phone in my random Airbnb here. Like, the quality sucks, I know, but just trying to document, just trying to put out content and maybe give value. I don't know. Like, let me know if this helps you out, or if this gives you some insights into what I'm up to or how I'm thinking or whatever. I just enjoy recording these random videos. So yeah, let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, you know what to do, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.